To remove a routine from the favorite routine list in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, you can see that all favorite routine are listed under favorite section. Next, tap a routine you like to remove from the favorite, and then tap the yellow favorite icon at the bottom of the screen. The icon will turn grey as a sign that the selected routine has been removed from favorite. Go back to the routine screen. You can see that the selected routine has been removed from the favorite. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.